Welcome to a captivating exploration of ablutophobia, a fear that may seem perplexing to some, but is a very real and challenging condition for those who experience it. Bathing and cleaning are essential parts of our daily lives, but for individuals with ablutophobia, these seemingly routine tasks can become sources of intense anxiety and dread. In this comprehensive video, we delve deep into the world of ablutophobia, shedding light on its causes, symptoms, and impact on those affected. Join us as we navigate through 40 astonishing facts about this fear, providing insight and understanding that can help us support and empathize with individuals grappling with this unique and often misunderstood phobia. Fact 1. Definition and origins of ablutophobia. Ablutophobia is defined as an irrational and persistent fear of bathing or cleaning. Its origins can be linked to traumatic experiences, learned behaviors, or underlying anxiety disorders. Fact 2. Prevalence and demographics. Ablutophobia's prevalence varies across demographics, including age, gender, and cultural factors. It may manifest differently in different individuals. Fact 3. Ablutophobia's impact on daily life. Ablutophobia significantly affects individuals' daily routines and personal hygiene practices. The fear may lead to avoidance of necessary self-care. Fact 4. Misconceptions and stigma. There are misconceptions surrounding ablutophobia, and societal stigma can exacerbate the challenges faced by those living with this fear. Fact. Recognizing the symptoms. Recognizing symptoms such as panic attacks, increased heart rate, and a sense of impending danger during bathing or cleaning activities can help identify ablutophobia. Fact 6. The role of anxiety disorders. Ablutophobia can be intertwined with other anxiety disorders, and understanding this relationship is crucial for comprehensive treatment. Fact 7. Trauma and ablutophobia. Traumatic experiences may lead to ablutophobia, as negative associations with bathing or cleaning can develop. Fact 8. Childhood ablutophobia. Ablutophobia can manifest in early childhood and have long-term effects on personal hygiene and self-esteem. Fact 9. Diagnosis and professional help. Diagnosing ablutophobia requires professional assessment, which is vital for appropriate treatment. Fact 10. Coping mechanisms. Individuals may adopt coping mechanisms like avoidance and self-soothing techniques to manage ablutophobia. Fact 11. Cognitive behavioral therapy (CBT). CBT is an effective treatment for ablutophobia, where individuals challenge negative thought patterns and gradually face their fears. Fact 12. Exposure therapy. Exposure therapy helps individuals confront their fear of bathing or cleaning in a controlled environment. Fact 13. Medication as a treatment. Medication, like anti-anxiety medications, can be used to alleviate symptoms and support therapeutic interventions. Fact 14. Support networks and community. Support networks and community understanding are essential for individuals with ablutophobia. Fact 15. Self-help strategies. Implementing self-help strategies can empower individuals to manage ablutophobia in their daily lives. Fact 16. Ablutophobia in popular culture. Ablutophobia is depicted in movies, TV shows, and literature, impacting public perception. Fact 17. Historical perspectives. Historically, ablutophobia has been understood and addressed in different ways. Fact 18. Cultural influences. Cultural norms and beliefs surrounding hygiene and cleanliness can influence ablutophobia development. Fact 19. The role of parenting, parenting styles, and early experiences shape an individual's perception of bathing and cleaning. Fact 20. Co-occurring conditions. Ablutophobia may co-occur with other anxiety disorders or phobias, affecting treatment approaches. Fact 21. Real-life testimonies. Hearing real-life testimonies from individuals who overcame ablutophobia offers hope and inspiration. Fact 22. Empathy and compassion. Empathy and compassion are crucial in supporting individuals with ablutophobia. Fact 23. The neurobiology of fear. Understanding the neurobiological aspects of fear provides insights into ablutophobia's mechanism. Fact 24. Evolutionary perspectives. Ablutophobia may have evolutionary significance in terms of survival instincts. Fact 25. Public health and ablutophobia. Ablutophobia can impact personal and community hygiene practices. Fact 26. Celebrities and ablutophobia. Even celebrities may experience ablutophobia, bringing attention to the fear's prevalence. Fact 27. Ablutophobia in literature. Literature uses ablutophobia as a plot device to explore characters' inner struggles. Fact 28. The psychological impact. Ablutophobia impacts self-esteem, social interactions, and overall mental well-being. Fact 29. Medical conditions and ablutophobia. Certain medical conditions may intersect with ablutophobia, influencing fear development. Fact 30. Sensory overload and ablutophobia. Hypersensitivity to stimuli may influence ablutophobia, causing sensory overload. Fact 31. The fear of contamination. Ablutophobia may be triggered by the fear of contamination, leading to avoidance of cleaning. Fact 32. Ablutophobia and personal relationships. Ablutophobia can impact personal relationships, requiring communication and support. Fact 33. Cultural sensitivity in treatment. Cultural sensitivity is crucial in ablutophobia treatment due to diverse perspectives on hygiene. Fact 34. Body image and ablutophobia. Negative body image concerns may intensify ablutophobia. Fact 35. Ablutophobia in the media. Media portrayals of ablutophobia influence public understanding. Fact 36. Coping with triggers. Managing triggers related to ablutophobia includes stress management and relaxation technique. Fact 37. The science of phobias. Understanding the science of phobias provides context to ablutophobia. Fact 38. Evolutionary adaptations. Ablutophobia may have served an adaptive purpose in our ancestral past. Fact 39. Supportive therapies. Complementary therapies like art therapy and meditation can support ablutophobia treatment. Fact 40. The road to recovery. Recovery from ablutophobia requires resilience, determination, and professional support. In this illuminating journey through 40 astonishing facts about ablutophobia, we hope to demystify this complex fear and foster empathy for those who face it. Understanding the causes, symptoms, and treatment options can empower individuals and their loved ones to embark on a journey towards healing and self-discovery. By promoting awareness and compassion, we can build a more inclusive and supportive world for everyone, regardless of their fears or challenges.